His father was working on work charge establishment. And
Where is the termination order?
there is no termination order.
Then how can you, without hearing rightly or wrongly, he has been appointed in the year 1993.
Lordship.
Before terminating his service or removal from service,
Our Lordship will see the impugned order also. There is categorical stand of the state that he has not been terminated from the service, Lordship.
then why he has not been allowed to discharge his duties?
The appellant fourth grade roller khalasi, my lord.
Huh?
Appellant is a fourth grade roller khalasi.
Class 4.
Yes,
Huh?
khalasi. He has been appointed in the year 1993 by the district compassionate appointed committee, my lord.
Huh?
And from 2014, my lord, he is not being allowed to work.
Huh?
He is not allowed to work,
From what date?
but it is 11/9/14. After 21 years.
What is the reason? Have they given in writing?
No, nothing in writing. I have asked that they have terminated my service by oral order. They are not producing any order and they are not allowing me to work. Neither producing any order of termination. No any so-called, no any notice.
Under which respondent you are working?
Under my lord, executive engineer, respond 5. Superintending engineer, respond 4.
Who appointed you?
Respondent number 4.
Superintendent engineer.
Lordship, in fact, what has happened, Lordship, his father was working on work charge establishment. And
Where is the termination order?
there is no termination order.
Then how can you, without hearing rightly or wrongly, he has been appointed in the year 1993.
Lordship.
Before terminating his service or removal from service,
Our Lordship will see the impugned order also. There is categorical stand of the state that he has not been terminated from the service, Lordship.
then why he has not been allowed to discharge his duties? He has not been terminated, he has not been allowed to discharge. What is this? Are we following the rule of law or not?
In fact, Lordship, his services has not been regularized because he has joined the services.
Sir, have you passed a termination order
No.
after giving notice?
No, that is not.
First, you immediately reinstate him by tomorrow. Otherwise, I will summon the superintendent of engineer. They don't know the rule of law. If the same thing is happened to the superintendent engineer,
There is no written order on the record, Lordship, by
sir, whether he has been appointed or not,
he has been appointed.
then before taking any further action, is he not entitled for notice and other formalities?
There is nothing on record to show that he has been asked to stop the work or the work is not being.
Then what action you have taken, assuming that you have not asked him to not to attend the office? Have you issued a notice for remaining unauthorized absence? Show us.
I will seek instruction, Lordship. What is the?
What instruction? After how many years? This is not fair. You are not doing any favor to your subordinate.
In fact, Lordship, his initial appointment on compassionate ground itself was.
Sir, do you terminate his service in accordance with law?
That has to be there.
That has to be there after how many years? Now who is going to pay him the monetary benefits from the taxpayers' money?
He has been paid as per his own admission, Lordship. He has been paid till 2014, Lordship.
Correct. Thereafter, between 2014 to 2022, you are going to pay from your department,
The counter,
and liability is on the taxpayer.
the counter there is a stand, Lordship. He shall be paid in accordance with law.
The superintendent of engineer, who is stated to be appointing authority in respect of appellant, is hereby directed to file an affidavit as to how the services of the petition appellant has been discontinued from 11/9/2014 to his the meanwhile, appellant shall be taken back to duty forthwith. Release this matter after 10 days, failing which superintendent engineer shall be present with complete records. Reinstatement or taking appellant back into service is subject to result of the present appeal.